basic research where we basically try and analyze molecular mechanisms and try and understand how it works, that is driving the discoveries, and we don't know where the big discoveries are coming from. So so new areas will open up as basic research is supported and should be supported in the future.
Running around.
My name is Sonia Roche and I'm a principal investigator. So I run a very small team of researchers. Even though I'm the lab head, I still conduct a lot of experiments myself. As such, I have to plan my day even more carefully. I first joined Gene Regulation and Expression as a postdoctoral fellow. I had many opportunities to go elsewhere, but the collaborative atmosphere of the center really drew me in. My main research question is how do cells respond to low oxygen? And for that purpose, I use cancer cells obtained from patients. I think for particular types of cancer, hopefully in the next few years we will see new drugs coming from the research that has been done, especially in places like our center. I remain faithful to the academic process because we don't have that kind of money-driven goal. Our aim is not to create any mutants, any crazy deadly weapons or anything. All we want to do is find something that will help. What drives us is just a quest for knowledge. We always want to know more. We are very curious people. I think that's probably the best way of describing it. Conducting experiments is, in analogy, very much like cooking. You have precise recipes and timing of different components. Usually most experiments take a lot of time to actually be performed. You need to be patient as well as dedicated. My research involves a lot of protein analysis. We use special matrices to separate proteins by size. We will then use those membranes to incubate with specific antibodies for your protein of interest. And mix it. Normal moments of inspiration is when you try out an idea and something completely unexpected comes along and it makes you think of completely new areas. Good to know how you put your membranes in the cassettes, because when you get the film out you don't get the chance to see them again, so because we'll be in the dark. In the dark room is the most exciting times and the most depressing times. You see the result of several days of work. This is the result of yesterday.
That's great.
Yeah, I'm jumping up and down. It's really good. Compare this band with the lack of band there. So everything works fine, but this one, it's not there. So, and that makes it really important. I'm going to find my collaborators now. So I wanted to show you the result. It's okay, so one of the sequences. What I think is inspiring about biology and science is that nothing is ever 100% true. Nothing is absolute. There's no absolute truth. The unknowns is really what drives you.
Congratulations!
Oh, congratulations! Isn't it amazing? A lot of people have really exciting things, but they just go. Maybe they're older or wiser. I just find it really exciting. Yeah, they've been working really hard for the last 2 years on this, so it'll be very good. It's very important for researchers to communicate with each other. We have in my lab quite informal chats about what we do on a day-to-day basis, and I find this informal way much easier to get people talking about their ideas and their experiments, and we can help each other overcoming technical problems. Science is a very international practice. In my lab, I have Carrie, a postdoctoral fellow, and she is from the USA. Niall, my long-serving postdoctoral fellow, and he's from Scotland. Patrick, he's a postgraduate student. He's from Holland and he joined me in 2006. Andrew, he's a postgraduate student. He's from England. Sharon, she is Scottish and she's a research assistant. And I have Aichi. She is from Tanzania and Italy, and she's a postdoctoral fellow who's just joined my lab. It's almost like being in a small family atmosphere. Everybody helps each other out and gives advice and helps through the good times and bad times. So it's a very big support network, and in terms of scientific knowledge, it's immense. We've got world leaders in very many different areas here. It's really, really inspirational. I think inspirational is what probably I would describe it as.